So the intent of today's stream is to, well, let me start all over again. So you guys know how much I advocate for publishing your work. And I tell you this over and over again in my content. But I wouldn't be much of a mentor or instructor to all of you if I didn't enable you with some of those skills, right? So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you, I'm going to leave you today with a template of how I would piece together a data science article. It's an article that highlights my work. It's an article that I can add to my portfolio. And it's an article that I would use as part of my application process, particularly something that would add to my resume and something that I would refer to during the interview process. Okay, that's really kind of the goal of what we're doing today. But as I said before, publishing is not just something you're going to do for a job. You're going to do it throughout the rest of your career because it's an important part of the scientific process. So if you're a professional in the field, you should be looking to publish your work. Okay? So that's the goal for today. Right off the bat, I want to start with some audience participation. So I want to piece together this article with an example project. And I'm kind of short on ideas today. I mean, I obviously could come up with some, funny project to use as an example, but I'd rather hear from you guys. So in the chat, give me an elevator pitch on a project that you worked on that you want to develop into an article. Okay, whether it's a school project or something else. Give me a couple ideas, guys. Let's start generating some ideas in the chat. What does a project that you would want to generate an article on look like for you?